Welcome to my channel Quiet Rich. Turn on bell icon, like, share.
When you think of luxury, what comes to mind? For many people, the image is clear: flashy sports cars, giant mansions, designer logos plastered across every piece of clothing, and extravagant vacations on private islands. But the truth is, real luxury has been quietly evolving. It's no longer just about the loud display of wealth or status. Today, the most refined form of luxury is subtle, personal, and deeply connected to experience rather than display. In this video, we'll explore what it really means to experience luxury without the noise, how true sophistication is often found in simplicity, how quiet luxury is shaping culture, and how you can bring this mindset into your own life. So, what do we mean when we say, without the noise? Think about how, for decades, luxury was tied to how loud you could be with your money. Designer handbags covered in logos, jewelry that sparkled so bright it had to be seen from across the room, and homes filled with gold-trimmed furniture. That was luxury in its most obvious form. But in recent years, something has shifted. The wealthiest individuals, and those with a strong sense of style and refinement, no longer feel the need to shout. Instead, their luxury is understated. It's in the quality of the fabric, the craftsmanship of the furniture, the attention to detail in the food they eat, and the unique, personalized experiences they choose. Quiet luxury whispers instead of shouts. One of the clearest examples of this is in fashion. Take a look at the rise of brands like Loro Piana, Brunello Cucinelli, or The Row. These labels are known for their simplicity and elegance, focusing on materials like cashmere, silk, and fine cotton. You won't find giant logos or loud designs. Instead, the luxury is in the feel, the cut, and the longevity of the item. A plain, perfectly tailored coat made from the softest wool can cost more than a flashy logo jacket. Why? Because it's not about showing the world you spent money, it's about enjoying the craftsmanship and knowing that piece will last for years. That's experiencing luxury without the noise. Another powerful example comes from the world of travel. Traditional luxury travel might mean booking a 5-star hotel in the middle of a crowded city, complete with expensive bottles of champagne and a packed itinerary. But the modern approach is different. Today, the most sought-after travel experiences are private, serene, and unique. Instead of showing off at a busy resort, true luxury is found in renting a secluded villa, exploring a quiet vineyard, or spending time in a wellness retreat surrounded by nature. It's not about how many people see where you are, it's about how deeply you connect with the moment. That kind of travel leaves an imprint on your soul, not just your Instagram feed. Luxury without the noise also extends into the home. In the past, wealthy homes were designed to impress visitors. Grand chandeliers, massive staircases, rooms filled with elaborate decoration. But now, luxury homes often embrace minimalism. Clean lines, natural materials, and spaces designed for comfort rather than excess. A luxurious home today might have wide windows to let in natural light, a carefully curated art collection, and furniture chosen for comfort and longevity. It's about creating a sanctuary, not a showroom. The noise has been stripped away, leaving only the essentials that truly matter. This shift is about more than just aesthetics. It reflects a deeper cultural change. We live in a world where information, media, and consumer products are louder and more overwhelming than ever before. Social media constantly pushes people to show off. Ads tell us to buy more, bigger, flashier. But true luxury is stepping away from that noise and finding peace in what really matters. It's a rejection of overconsumption and a focus on quality over quantity. When you choose to own fewer but better things, you're aligning yourself with the new wave of luxury. Think about watches. A flashy diamond-encrusted watch might turn heads, but among collectors, the true value is in the craftsmanship and history. A simple Patek Philippe or an understated Vacheron Constant says far more than a watch covered in gems. It says you understand heritage, precision, and artistry. It's luxury that doesn't need to scream because those who know, simply know. Even in the food and wine world, this idea holds true. Luxury dining used to mean extravagant banquets, over-the-top presentations, and ingredients chosen purely because they were rare or expensive. Today, many top chefs focus on simplicity and authenticity. A meal prepared with fresh, local ingredients, presented with care and balance, often feels far more luxurious than a gold-plated dessert. True luxury dining is about taste, connection, and the story behind the dish, not about making it look expensive. So why are people gravitating toward this quieter, more personal version of luxury? One reason is authenticity. Loud luxury is performative, it's about proving to others that you've made it. Quiet luxury, on the other hand, is about living well for yourself. It's not a costume you put on, it's a lifestyle. Another reason is sustainability. People are becoming more aware of how overconsumption affects the planet. Investing in high-quality, timeless pieces rather than fast fashion or disposable trends aligns with a more responsible way of living. Quiet luxury is not only stylish but also sustainable. But here's something important, experiencing luxury without the noise doesn't mean you need to be ultra-wealthy. It's more about mindset than money. You don't need $1 million home or a closet full of designer clothing to embrace this lifestyle. It can be as simple as choosing to buy fewer but better things, taking time to enjoy experiences deeply, or creating spaces in your life that feel calm and intentional. Luxury is not always about spending, it's about appreciating. For example, instead of filling your home with decorations from a big box store, maybe you invest in one beautiful piece of handmade pottery that brings you joy every time you use it. Instead of chasing every new fashion trend, you curate a wardrobe of timeless, versatile pieces made from quality fabrics. Instead of constantly posting about your trips, you take time to truly be present, enjoying the sunrise without feeling the need to capture it for others. These small changes reflect the spirit of quiet luxury. Of course, this movement is also showing up in media and pop culture. Celebrities and influencers used to flaunt their wealth in obvious ways, but now, more and more of them are embracing understated elegance. Instead of showing off cars with gullwing doors or closets full of flashy designer items, some are shifting towards sustainability, mindfulness, and authenticity. The popularity of minimalism, capsule wardrobes, and wellness retreats all ties back to this idea of experiencing luxury without noise. At its heart, this lifestyle is about reclaiming control. When you define luxury on your own terms, you're no longer chasing trends, keeping up with neighbors, or seeking approval from strangers online. You're focused on what brings you comfort, peace, and satisfaction. That might mean a perfectly brewed cup of coffee in the morning, time spent with loved ones, or investing in experiences that truly enrich your life. Quiet luxury is deeply personal, and that's what makes it powerful. So, how can you bring this into your life starting today? First, slow down and pay attention to the details. Notice what actually makes you feel good and what you've been doing just for appearances. Second, choose quality over quantity in what you buy. Whether it's clothing, furniture, or technology, focus on craftsmanship and durability instead of trends. Third, create moments of peace for yourself. It could be as simple as turning off notifications during dinner, lighting a candle while you read, or spending time in nature. These aren't big, flashy gestures, but they're real luxury because they nurture your well-being. Finally, understand that the loudest luxury is often the most fleeting, while the quietest forms of luxury stay with you the longest. When you step away from the noise, you give yourself the freedom to truly enjoy life on your own terms. You stop chasing what looks good to others and start embracing what feels good for you. So, to wrap this up, luxury without the noise is not about rejecting beauty, comfort, or indulgence. It's about redefining them in a way that's meaningful, sustainable, and deeply personal. It's about choosing experiences over appearances, quality over excess, and authenticity over performance. Whether you're wearing a simple, perfectly tailored jacket, enjoying a glass of wine at sunset, or creating a calm, minimal space at home, you are living in luxury, quietly, intentionally, and powerfully. That is the essence of experiencing luxury without the noise.
Thanks for watching video.